this is the Icon ferry right here. Sharon's gonna be the first one on it. That's how she rolls. Yay! You ready for the Icon?
Yeah.
All right.
That one is vegetarian. It's good? Wow.
Really nice.
Great.
Crazy. Just had a delicious lunch and now we're just wandering about, seeing what they have here. Here's a coconut ice cream dish. Sean wants. Wow, beautiful.
Peanut. Yeah. And then some mango.
Mango.
And this
I love coconut ice cream. Go ahead, have a bite. Okay. How is it? Good? After that, you only get 2 bites, I get the rest.
This is our apartment in Bangkok. It's a studio, but it's big enough for us. First, this is a toilet. It have a hot shower. It's very nice. They prepare for the towel and everything. And then you have a cupboard here. You have place for you to put your things, comb your hair. And this is the living room. And then it's very nice. It have good internet for us. Big sofa, which is I love, and it's beautiful decoration around here. And I love this because they have a big TV here, and I can watch Netflix and YouTube. And also they have AC, 2 AC here. Can you imagine? Big bed here, very nice. And they also provide fans in case you want a fan. And they have a lot of equipment for cooking, even the toaster, and they even have this. I think this is for the coffee ground or something, you know. And this is the rice cooker and everything. It's very nice. It's very complete kitchen equipment here. Microwave, and then this is the fridge. Very nice. And this is a filter water. Yeah, so we have these ones installed here. So you can see this filter here. It's nice. Nice. And they also have coffee maker, washing machines, and this is the water boiler, and a balcony, a small balcony for you to hang your clothes. And it's night time here.
party bus here. Just kidding. We're going across town for like 30 cents.
Wow, it's very beautiful. We're at this is a marine department. There's very beautiful building here. And we are going to our favorite neighborhood now. Let's go. Follow Dan. Dan will bring you there. Very cool. The building around here. We're walking around this area. It's full of the art. Oh, I feel the drop of the rain.
Yeah.
This is one of the places in Chinatown. They call Chinatown. Very hidden gem here. Walkway is small alley and very charming.